Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily log out of your NYT Games application. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. If you want to maintain privacy, manage multiple accounts, or simply ensure that no one else accesses your account, then you can easily log out of your New York Times game on your mobile device. First of all, open up the NYT Games app and get to the main homepage. From the homepage, click on the human icon at the top right corner. This will bring up the settings menu. From the settings menu, select Logout. Wait for a few seconds and you will be able to end your session on NYT app. Logging out ensures that your account is secure, especially if you are using a shared or public device. So that is how you log out of your NYT application. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.